Hey guys, so you're going to open the template PDF and then you're going to click on this button and then it's going to take you to Canva where you can create a free Canva account if you don't have a Canva account ready. Otherwise, you're going to click Use Template if you're already logged in. And here is the template. So the images that are part of this template with the graphics, these are pro, so that's why there's a watermark on them. So these photos aren't included, but assuming that you're going to use your own photos anyways, that is not an issue. But the last photos at the end here, the last 10, these stock images are they're good to use for Canva users who only have the free account. So if you go down here to grid view, you can view all of the templates. And then you can also choose which template you want to edit. So let's start with this one. It's pretty self-explanatory to change the text. You just type whatever you want on there. You could even copy. So I did Command C, Command V, copy paste. So you can add text. You can select everything, go to position, and then you can center. You can also center to the page, which is that was pretty close already. To change the color, all you have to do is go up here to text color, and then you can use any of the colors in the photo. Gives it that nice branded look. If you don't like that, you can just go up here to undo, or you can do Command Z. To change the images, you just go to Uploads, upload your own media, and then you drag and drop. Or Canva has these really nice stock images, so you go to Elements, Photos, and then you can just type whatever you want. So let's just use skincare product. And anything with little crown is only available for Pro, so you can use it, but you have to upgrade. But there is a lot of free stock images as well. I just gotta keep scrolling. So let's just use the first one here. So you just click on it and you drag and drop. Really easy, really simple. You could even use this tool, and you could, if you have a certain color palette, you can choose that, vertical. You could even choose just a custom color if you want. So these are all of the images with your filters. And to turn it off, you can just select clear all, and it's off. To download, you're going to go up here. You're going to look at the page number. So this is page 10. PNG is fine, or you can also do these options, JPEG, PDF. But since you're going to upload to social media, PNG is perfectly fine. It's a high quality image. Select pages, uncheck all of these, and just select page 10. Done, and then download. Oh, okay, so I can't download this because one of the images has a Canva Pro watermarked image, so let's just choose another free stock image. Okay. So download, do it again, page 10. And your image will be in the downloads folder. Let's just pull that up. So here it is. here are just some other tools that you can use. That you can do transparency. You can lock images if you don't want to accidentally move it around. You can flip images over here. If you have Canva Pro, you can go up here to edit image and you can do the background remover, which is pretty handy. There's a lot of these things you can mess around with. If you want to do a video, you can also animate certain things. So we can animate these words. So then when you download it as a video, then you will have text animations, which just give your Instagram post just a little bit of that extra pizzazz, and if you can catch just a little bit, catch some more attention. So that's what it would look like. Yeah. So you can just mess around, play around. There's also these effects with the text that you can do. So whatever your actual style is, you know, you can do whatever. That doesn't look very good, but you know, just mess around and you could play around with different things. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So if you are interested in this template, the link will be in the description. Otherwise, happy branding. Bye.